Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to knit a 3-stitch I-cord like I have here on my bonnet. You either want to use double pointed needles, or in my case I'm going to use circular needles since that's what I was just using to finish up my bonnet here. So we're going to pick up and knit 3 stitches at the bottom corner edge of our bonnet here. So I'm just going to put my needle into this 3rd stitch from the end, wrap my yarn just around it like so, and then pull that loop through that stitch. We're going to do this 2 more times, so we have 3 stitches. So I'm going into that edge stitch, bring the yarn around to knit, and pull it through. And 1 more time, yarn around and pull it through. So now I have 3 stitches on my needles. I just kind of tug that first one up a little bit. Now normally we would turn our work, but for an I-cord you keep the same side facing you the entire time, and you just want to slide your stitches to the other end of the needle, and so your yarn is coming from this stitch here, and we're going to knit these 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and just tug that first one up. And then we're just going to keep repeating this, and this is an I-cord. We're going to slide the stitches to the other end of the needle and knit them again. And it makes kind of a little circular tube. And then you can kind of tug it as you go, and you'll be able to see the I-cord take shape. Oops. I'll show you this a couple more times. We're just going to knit 3 and slide to the other end of the needle. And you just want to keep making your I-cord as long as your pattern calls for. And then when you're done, you can either knit 3 stitches together, or you can just bind those 3 stitches off. And then I like to weave the yarn back through the I-cord and trim it. I'll show you one more time. Just knit 3. Oops, I didn't knit that one. And then slide to the other end of the needle. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.